Mga salitang binitawan netong si Coach Yeng sa isang panayam matapos tong panalo na kanilang nauwi last Sunday kalaban ng Converge. Yan ay matapos mang ilike ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating official Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bularo, maraming NBA fans ang paniguradong na-hype dito sa naganap na laban ng Milwaukee Bucks kontra sa koponan ng Sacramento Kings. Especially na maliban sa nagawa ni Giannis na makapagtala ng triple-double sa nasabing tapatan, naging laman din ang usap-usapan after the game etong buzzer beater 3 ni Damian Lillard na nagselyo ng panalo para sa Bucks.
Like I just said, I'm just looking for space. You know, I think in my experience, every time I'm in that type of situation, I just try to avoid being in the crowd, you know, where it can be deflections or, you know, two defenders can put me in a position where I can't get a shot off at all. So once I came up the slot and, you know, Brook was kind of right there, I went in front of Brook, but I went that way just to go into space to where even if, I think it was a bonus, even if he tried to come towards me, I still would have been able to use the rest of that other 3/4 of the court. But you know, I'm just looking for some space and I found that space.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, isang araw bago magsimula itong playoff round ng PBA, this Commissioner's Cup, ngayon nalaman pa rin ang usap-usapan etong malaking panalo na nakuha ng Rain or Shine last Sunday kontra Converge. Especially na sa kabila ng kanilang 5 straight losses dito sa unang 5 laban ng koponan, nagawa pa rin tapusin ng Ross ang eliminations na pasok sa playoff round period. Kaya naman bago magsimula mga bularo, etong serya ng SMB at Ross sa quarterfinals, ating silipin nga muna etong naging komento ni Coach Yeng matapos ang kanilang matamis na panalo kontra sa Converge.
Maganda naman yung assessment namin ng chances namin. We're coming off 6-win streak nga. Pero siguro ang importante lang yung yung ma-improve pa namin yung mga execution namin, offense and defense. Kasi nabanggit mo nga, pareho kaming talo doon sa elimination round. No, marami nang nag-iba yung import namin, nag-iba na rin. Pero ang tingin ko marami pa kaming pwedeng i-improve. Mabuti rin yung game namin ngayon, 1 point. Parang ganito rin yung yung mararamdaman mo o ma-experience mo sa playoffs. No? You need to know how to win games in the end game. You need to know how to close out games. Kailangan ma-experience mo yung pressure.